Welcome back to this new video to Express. Today, if you wanted to give your customers a clear view of your product variations or boost your CEO, displaying product variants as separate listing can be a game changer. So let's explore the best methods to achieve this. So why display variants in separate products? Displaying product variants as individual products offers several advantages. So this, for example, improved discoverability, this enhanced the CEO, has a clear presentation, and obviously has a direct linking. So you share direct links to specific colors, the sizes, the style variations is going to be really outstanding. So the method number one is to use a Shopify application. This is recommended for easy. So the easiest and often most feature-rich way to display variants as a separate product is by using a dedicated application from the Shopify store. These applications automate much of the process and offers additional customer options. So choose and install the application for this. So let's work through the process of using an application. So let's go directly for the Shopify administrator. I click into the option that says applications in the left hand menu. And here we can look out for variants and search variants in the Shopify App Store. So into the search bar, we can type variants as separate products or similar phrased and browse through available. Choose one that suits your needs and budget. I use Glow Color Swatch and Bundle because this has a free plan available. You can choose whatever plan you want to. Just make sure that when you're creating an actual product, when you select an actual product or application, this one has a free plan availability, has a strong rating, and of course that this one has a free plan available and built for Shopify. So once you have now selected those elements, hit into the option that says installed. Now let's configure the application settings. So once the application is installed, you'll need to configure its settings. The exact options will vary depending on the application, but here are some common settings you might find. For example, selecting the option, choose which product options you want to display as separated products. If you want to be using a free plan, then go for free and continue as free. Then the URL structure, you can configure how the URLs for the separate variant listing will be generated, and the title description generation, the image management, the inventory synchronization, and so much more. Inside here, for example, the global product options, we have a free plan. So let's create an option set. Into my option set, there is no limit yet. There's no element added. So we can add one element. For example, let's focus with the text. Sample number one, or select an actual template. In my case, I don't have an actual template, so I think this one is not going to be saved right away. Here's to automate. Here's my element, text area, and I can add more elements as I am getting started. For example, the image swatch. Option number one, I can add another image swatched, and I can just edit them and change it automatically. And this how it should be appearing my element area. So when I choose manual, I enable this element that says manual, and I select one product, for example this one, and I select it. And you can see that we have the automated products added here. Make sure that you have saved all your changes once you have selected the product optimization tools. Then hit into the option that says preview, so you can see how it actually looks your products when you have added the different colors, the sizes, the quantity, and even a wish list if you see them in my case. You can see that we have even added some reviews. Now show the Shopify store collection pages. You should now see the selected product variants listed on individual products. Click into this listing and ensure they lead into the main product page with the correct variant pre-selected. Other thing that I can show you, which is totally for free, is the search bar discovery. The search and discovery from the Shopify App Store is totally for free, and this one you can be downloading directly here into the App Store. This one is going to be helping you filtering all the elements here into the store, and you don't have to do absolutely anything because everything should be now creating and generated there. So here into the search and discovery, we can customize my filters. For example, the availability, the price. I can add more filter, for example, selecting the source, which is, for example, the color. Here's the filter label, and here are all the variants added. I hit for save. Let's say go back and add a new filter. Let's go for select my sourced, and let's go for category, and I hit for save. Now that we have added all the different categories, I can go back into search and discovery, hit into view, and here into my products we can see that we have the filters of availability, the price, the color, and the category. Let's say for example only I wanted to see snowboards, and boom, everything is now been where it has to be. It actually looks really well. You can have manual implementation, which while application offer a more streamlined approach, you can also achieve them manually, although it's more time consuming and less efficient for store, but many vary. So for that you can focus into the left section that says products. Into products, when you have now selected one product, you want to make sure that you have added as much information as you can possibly can, so you can filter and organize it by itself, which I'm talking about the type, the bundle, check out the collection type, check out the text, add your own text, for example winter, accessory, premium, add your own variants, add your own sizes, check out the variant prices, you add your own meta fields, and even check out the search engine listing, and always saved all your changes. And there you have it, guys. So before implementing this, consider to choose the right application, to check out the URL structure, to have image consistency, the inventory management, and the CEO optimization. So displaying product variants and separated products in Shopify can significantly enhance the store discoverability and CEO. So whether you choose the ease of an application or do it use manual approach, careful planning and execution are key to a successful implementation. So if you have implemented this strategy into the Shopify store, you can let us know into the comments below what application and what are the tools that you chose, and into the comments below. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechExpress for more advanced Shopify tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you next time.